Yo, what's up guys? So, I made it to my Mama and Papa's where the cars are at. There we are. Anybody seen a garage with, you know, over $200,000 worth of cars and there's shit piled up everywhere, bro. It's crazy. I think I'm just gonna take the C8 because the C8 gives me, you know, it's newer and it just looks the part, you know, like taking it to a car show, like I feel like it should, because it hasn't been in the scene for too long. Ow, sheesh. With this boot, it's so hard to get in, but this car is so comfortable and has so much room, like for real. Woo! Sounds so good. Alright boys, so I'm gonna get on the road. It's about a 10-15 minute drive to Lake Norman Brewery. Nothing major. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. So we finally made it. We got this bad boy right here. This engine. We got this there. Then you got this Corvette Stingray here, the engine bay. So then you got ours, mine right here. These guys are looking at it. That is tough. So this is actually my friend's C8 and then Huracan Evo. So yeah, like that. And I got this right here. This is nice. I think it's a Grand Sport, probably like a 2017, 2018. You got this bad boy. Look at this. Got this. A Finn and Pip. If you guys are watching. This is something you guys would drive in New Zealand. These bad boys coming in. So, then we got the old Corvettes. That thing is sweet. Then we got this bad boy. This old Corvette as well. That thing is tough. Kind of got the line of Corvettes coming up over here. So, sheesh. Then the red one. Then we got the Mustang, kind of just like mine. That's the Roush and everything. Corvette.
In 82, the rear wheel. And my dad,
then we got this
he was a speed
Huracan, I guess you would say.
He told everybody we're gonna
And then
fix it up, restore it. Some people
C8 in the blue color, just like ours. Then you got another one. This one is nice. That one's like a special edition. What's up?
What, man? You still in a booth?
Yeah,
What'd you drive?
the C8.
Okay.
So,
Sweet.
yeah.
Black one.
Yeah.
Imagine that with your family. Black one.
Yeah, no. Can't get a different color.
How long you got left on that boot?
Probably like, realistically, at max 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But then after that, I
Physical therapy
still
for
can't
how
do
long?
anything.
Heartening a little bit, but
Yeah.
take your time on recovery.
Yeah, it's also humbling as well because, you know, haven't been able to do anything, so you actually are finally understanding how great and shit life is. So
Yep. Yep.
what?
Practice handling balls. That's really about it.
Yeah, for
About
real.
it.
What'd you drive? The Lambo or no?
Hey, I brought my Lambo and Scotty drove my Corvette. This C8's mine, the blue one's mine too. So.
That's nice.
Yeah, thank you.
What year is this here?
It's a 2020.
Is it?
Yeah, both. Yeah, the Lambo and that's 2020. Yeah.
Did you do anything to the Lambo?
I haven't done anything to it. Just had it wrapped with clear. It was already, you know, matte finish.
Yo, what's up, guys? So the guy that you just saw that I was talking to obviously actually is the Lambo owner. He's a good friend of my dad's. So we just talked for a little bit. I'm sorry that I didn't really, point the camera to him or anything. I didn't want to be awkward. So that's what that whole situation is that you just saw. And sorry that the video is a little choppy, but it's going to get better throughout time. I hope you're enjoying the video. The rest kind of gets a little better, start seeing some Corvettes and stuff. So if you made it this far, just go ahead and drop a like and comment what your favorite car is so far. Peace. Sheesh. Then you got Corvette galore over here. Grand Sport. This another Grand Sport. These Grand Sports are fucking everywhere today. They all look good though. Then you got this one. This is another Grand Sport. Like they all rode together or some shit. Oh, this one's got the race seating. Nice, nice, nice. That one's stupid, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah, because I was talking to Todd. Yeah. It's like, yeah,
Old school.
there. I was like, I was there.
That one. That's an older Grand Sport. You got this guy right here. Oh, yeah.
I knew you were coming in.
This is kind of everything right here that you can see. So it's at the Lake Norman Brewery, so it's pretty cool. This starts at 12. It's almost 12 right now, so that's pretty good. So I've already showed y'all up there. But yeah, let's go this way. Back. Hey, yes sir. All right, everybody. So I am back at home from the car show. The car show was a fantastic. It was freaking amazing. A bunch of Corvettes there, which is very cool. Obviously, since we have two Corvettes, actually three, but just two right here right now. We got the Z06 right there, 2016. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this is what I took today to the car show. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, comment what your favorite car was, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.